Back, most people use their lunch hour to eat, but a popular trend is showing residents they can get a facelift in less than 60 minutes. 23 ABC's Alicia Patillo spoke with a local doctor who explains just how easy the procedure is and why one mother says it helped her deal with the changes in her life.
Like so many moms, Lori Cullum is so busy taking care of others that she forgets to take care of herself.
Yeah, I've been through so much this last year again.
Stress and how we deal with it can sometimes affect the way we look. It can cause unwanted strands of gray hair, that stubborn extra weight, or even wrinkles.
My forehead, which over the period of stress that I had gone through, had developed these deep lines right in here, and I hate to say it, but I almost looked like a devil.
During this time in her life, Lori's focus was on her son, Nick.
He had a brain tumor and brain cancer.
Like any mother would, she worried, but says her strength during that time came from the very person she was caring for.
Anybody carried anybody through, it was him carrying me through his difficulties.
After months of chemo, her son pulled through. Cancer-free by Mother's Day 2016. Lori had a special request from Nick.
That Beautologie was running a mommy makeover contest, and I sent him a text with the link for the mommy makeover, and I said, if you want to get me a good Mother's Day gift, this would be perfect.
Lori's son submitted a letter explaining why his mom deserved to win. She won, and her mommy makeover journey began.
Winner would get a liquid facelift.
Dr. Milan Shah has been practicing medicine here at Beautologie in Bakersfield for over 15 years.
That mimics your own natural collagen, a sugar called hyaluronic acid.
The man behind the very popular Liquid Lunchtime Lift.
Getting that lifted look, that rejuvenated look, but without having to go under the knife.
Those opting for a quick fix, this one's for you.
A liquid facelift is basically utilizing a bunch of different liquids. We call, liquids in terms of fillers and liquids in terms of Botox.
Shaw says that combination of fluids is giving back a look his patients once had.
We're putting back that volume in their cheeks, or we're putting that volume back in their cheekbones.
The price is going to cost you, but not as much as a traditional facelift.
A liquid facelift would run anywhere from $1,000 to maybe $2,500.
The best part, you can get it done during your lunch break.
Generally, a liquid facelift procedure, an injectable facelift procedure, would take anywhere from 40 minutes to about an hour. We're actually softening those active lines, those harsh lines in between our eyebrows, or the ones that go across our forehead.
It was the perfect makeover for Lori.
So they did some work around that, and in the forehead, and then around the cheeks, and they actually did some fill in the cheek.
What she needed after all she had been through.
He was excited more for me because he heard me get frustrated when I looked in the mirror and saw some of these things going on.
This is Lori's before and after receiving her liquid facelift.
I've been so happy with it. This was a year ago that I had it done, and been very happy.
At the time, Lori had no clue she was getting a procedure many desired.
But I do know it now. And when I say I've had it done, everybody's like, wow, I want one of those.
Shaw says most people are seeking a quick fix, which is why he believes liquid lifts have gained so much popularity in the last few years.
Everybody's looking for a nice pick-me-up without having to take weeks off work.
As for Lori, she's taking one day at a time, loving her results and loving her son, Nick.
It's not something you go to do necessarily to change who you are. Because who you are comes from the inside. So you're not trying to change who you are, you're just trying to be more comfortable in your own skin.
That was Alicia Patillo reporting. Dr. Shah says anyone pursuing a cosmetic procedure should seek out a highly trained professional first. President Trump spending his first day at the United Nations with the start of the General Assembly. In a meeting with the UN Secretary General, he called for reform, even touted his own business interests.